In a world of constant noise, endless distractions, and fragile attention, the ancients would look at us and ask a simple question. How can a person hope to rule their life if they cannot even rule their own mind? Today, we return to the foundations, the Stoic teachings that shaped warriors, emperors, and thinkers. 5 ancient lessons, 5 anchors for modern discipline. This is Aeon's Mentors, where ancient insights illuminate your path to inner strength. Marcus Aurelius taught that discipline begins with the first spark of thought, your impression, a notification, an emotion, a craving, a moment of anger. The undisciplined person reacts. The disciplined person questions. Is this worth my attention? Does this deserve my energy? Is this emotion true or simply loud? Modern life attacks us with impressions, feeds, headlines, messages, temptations. Stoicism teaches, pause before you obey. Your discipline is not built in the gym or workplace. It's built in the moment your mind wants to wander and you gently bring it back. Epictetus divided life into 2 realms, what you control and what you influence. Everything else, irrelevant. He said, if you wish to be disciplined, let your actions be constrained by reason. In the modern world, we chase hacks, shortcuts, and motivation. But Epictetus reminds us, discipline is simply doing what the situation requires. Not more, not less, not when you feel like it. You align yourself with the task, fully, without drama. This is the discipline of soldiers, craftsmen, athletes, and creators. The power to say, this is what the day requires, and I will do it. Seneca warned that comfort is a sedative. A soft life weakens the inner fortress. His advice? Practice discomfort before life forces it upon you. Wake before the world. Train when the mind resists. Choose the harder path. Fast occasionally. Take cold walks. Do more with less. He wrote, a man who has prepared himself for the worst has robbed misfortune of its power. Modern translation, if you build discipline in peace, you will not collapse in chaos. To the Stoics, discipline was not a performance. It was integrity. Every time you break a promise to yourself, skip the workout, delay the project, follow an impulse, you weaken your inner authority. But each small promise kept, no matter how tiny, builds identity. A 5-minute meditation, 1 page read, a short walk, a single healthy meal. These acts whisper, I can trust myself. Zeno taught that character is shaped by repeated actions. Your discipline is not built in heroic moments. It's built in the invisible ones. The Stoics were not disciplined for the sake of looking disciplined. They had a target, virtue, wisdom, service. Cleanthes said, lead me, Zeus, and I will follow willingly. The modern translation, choose a guiding purpose, or the world will choose for you. When you have a North Star, discipline is no longer punishment. Routine becomes devotion. Habits become expressions of who you are becoming. Ask yourself, what is the life I am training for? And let that answer guide every action. The Stoics didn't view discipline as something extraordinary. To them, it was simply the art of aligning your daily life with your highest self. Control your impressions. Do what's required. Embrace hardship. Keep your word. Live by a North Star. 5 ancient lessons. 5 anchors for modern strength. If these teachings resonate with you, step into this journey with us. This is Aeon's Mentors, ancient insights for modern growth. Like, subscribe, and continue the practice.